Stick around to see 10 awesome and unique Mother's Day crafts that kids can do on their own for their moms or complete with their moms. Either way, I know you will get a lot of sweet ideas from this video, so keep watching and stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I'm Cheryl, the activity author, and thank you so much for clicking on to this video. I know you guys are just going to love these ideas, so don't hesitate to show me some love and click that like button. And if you really want to stick around, I won't be mad at you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. All right, so without further ado, we just gonna jump right into it. So coming in at number 10, nothing screams, I'm your biggest cheerleader like a cheerleading sign, right? We're gonna scream it from the rooftops how much we love our moms. So what you can do is check out the previous video that I made if you want to learn how to make this marbled art with shaving cream. It's so quick and so easy, and it makes a great background for a sign. Just look at how cute these signs turned out. I love it. Now here's another option. You guys can tape out your sign like we did here and take some paint and do the dabbing paint method like we like to do here on my channel. Check out all my videos. You guys will see this. I promise you will. So what my daughter did is she just took the paint and she used a paint dabber that we got from Dollar Tree, and she just painted all over the entire paper so it looked like this. And when it dried, we just peeled the tape and it gave us a beautiful sign. So that's another method you can use as well. Okay, so this one is not a craft, but it is an awesome idea. Why don't you play bingo with your mom? So you and the family get together. Go to this website right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to design your mom a bingo card, just like I'm doing. Follow along, guys. So put all the describing words that you would describe your mom. So everything you can think of, every adjective, plug it in. This website will let you do, I believe, a full bingo card, or you can do as little as nine sections on your card as well. So once you finish that, you can change the color of your card by clicking the theme, and I like this one right here, so we're gonna go with that. You get 30 cards for free, so that's good. We're gonna go with that. And then we're going to click Let's Go so we can generate our board. Now you can choose different sequences. I'm just gonna go with the first one, Start Game. Then you hit Call Game. And that's all you need to do to get the game started. Now y'all gonna let mom win, right? Y'all better let mom win. And you can come up with a fun prize for the winner, of course. So this is another neat idea. I hope y'all take me up on this one. All right, let's get to the next idea. Now, what's the first picture mom gets from the hospital when the baby's born? You got it, the footprint. Well, you can do a footprint for this, but we just did a handprint as well. So what you can do is you can do handprint art. If you want to see how we put together this gorgeous picture using handprints and we made flowers, please click the card up top and it will take you straight to the video we did, I think, a week ago. But this is a great idea and this turned out beautifully. And the possibilities are endless, guys. Look, we did another handprint art as well, and this one was super simple. So we got a little phrase down there. We used the little foam letters, and that is it. So simple, so cute, and so unique. Mom will just eat this up. I know you got plenty of pictures around the house with you and mommy, so how about we frame them by making our own frame out of cardboard? Yes, I just cut a square of cardboard. I decorated it. My daughter painted it. Well, we decorated it together. And we put some glitter. I know some of y'all scared of glitter. We love glitter over here. But you can use whatever you want, guys. Pom-pom balls, sequins, whatever. Just decorate it, and then we put the picture on top, and it looks just like a homemade homemade picture frame. You guys definitely need to try this. Here's another neat idea. You can take popsicle sticks and you can glue them together like we did, and then you can decorate the frame, and you can put a picture on this as well. Now, the one thing I didn't do is I did not glue it to a construction paper background, but that's what I would suggest. Glue it to construction paper, stick the picture in the middle, bam, you got a beautiful homemade frame this way as well. So our next craft is so sweet. Like literally, it's so sweet. You guys will see what I mean. All right, so I made these flowers out of tissue paper, and I'm actually going to show y'all in detail when we get closer to the end how to do this if you would like to know. But I glued it to a cup that I painted, and I decorated the cup, and I basically added a handle by using pipe cleaners and beads. Guys, this was so quick and so cute. I think you definitely want to try this too. Hey, try them all. See, I told you it turned out cute, and look, we even filled it with candy. That's why I told you this was a sweet craft, and Mom is just going to love this. Keep it forever and ever. All right, let's get to number 5. Now, this one was so fun and relaxing, I will admit. Just take some cardboard, cut a heart out of that cardboard, and then get some glue, put it all over, and then you want to get some tissue paper, which I actually had some tissue paper from an old gift. So I basically tore that into little small pieces, balled them up, and glued them on this heart, and it turned out so pretty, guys. Now, I know y'all seen custom cards, but y'all never seen custom cards like this. So we gonna go ahead and bring the handprint back, make a flower in the front of this card, and also add some construction paper with a cute little message. Hopefully this gives y'all some inspiration to make Mom your very own handmade card. And I know that's something we typically do, but try to take it to another level by using these ideas. Here's another idea too. You can do some 3D flowers. So see that tissue paper I was telling you about earlier? We actually had some more. So I decided to fold it. I cut a little piece and then I folded accordion style like this. Then I took some string, I tied it in the center, and I curved the ends like I'm doing right here. And then that is it. I kind of fluffed it up and they turned into some little quick and easy makeshift flower. If you guys want a detailed tutorial, just drop down below in the comments and let me know. So this right here is 2 ways to make flowers that I've already made on my channel. So if you also click the card for this one and click the card for this one, you can see in detailed how to make these crafts if you would like. But this is another idea that you can make for Mom. Now, I just love this idea because my mom reads books a lot. So I was like, hey, we can go ahead and make her a bookmark because why not? You need a bookmark when you're reading. So just take a piece of foam paper. We used the what you call it, hole puncher. Sorry guys, hole puncher. We made a hole at the top and put some yarn in there. And then we also, well, what I did to make it easier, I'm going to use some beads. So I took a pipe cleaner and I tied it to the other end, kind of like a needle, you know, so that way I could fish the beads through. And I made a bookmark with a cute little charm at the end. So on the other bookmark, I decided to use these handy dandy foam letters that I got from Dollar Tree. They actually have a great craft section. Have you been there lately? But yeah, so if you use these foam letters, they look so nice, so cute. And look at how the bookmark looks inside of a book. Oh, Michelle Obama would be so proud. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? I know y'all gonna try this one. And last but not least, number one, drum roll please. We have our beautiful carnations. So if you would like to make this carnation, follow along. So you got tissue paper, right? You fold it once, then you fold it again, and then you fold it one more time. So fold it 3 times. Then take some scissors, cut along the folds so that you'll have individual sheets. Then you're going to accordion style fold it. Okay, y'all remember accordion style, like how we used to fold the fans? And then you're going to take a green pipe cleaner. You're going to wrap it around, you know, tighten it, fasten it. And then you want to round off the ends with some scissors, just, you know, round it off at the end. And then you want to separate each sheet. Once you separate them, it will turn into a flower. The more you separate it, the fuller the flower will look, and it will be so gorgeous. Mom will just love, love, love this for 2 reasons. Number 1, you made it. Number 2, the flowers will never, ever, ever die. Like, what's better than that, guys? Come on. That's why this is the number 1 gift to give mom, the number 1 craft to make mom. So I think y'all should definitely, if you don't do anything else on this countdown, do this, okay? All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, I enjoyed making this video, I think you should definitely give me a thumbs up. Come on now, I put a lot of work into this. So give me a thumbs up, and I want you to subscribe to this channel, check out all my other videos, and please comment down below which craft was your favorite craft and which one are you going to do for mom. Keep in mind, Mother's Day is on Sunday, all right? So make sure you guys spend time, love up on each other, and just enjoy the day. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.